when you come into the room, what I will do, as I'm grabbing the consents, I will knock, let them like say like, hi, how are you? Like, how did everything go? Everything, will have a conversation with them as you're grabbing this. Be like, okay, so I know the doctor wants to recommended the Fraxel. Are you excited? Kind of just, you don't want to like just come in very awkward, right? So you want to like ask them, double check that that's the treatment that they want, even though the doctor just told you. It's always better to double check with them. Like, oh, so we're doing a Fraxel laser, right? Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you the consents, but before I do that, I just want to go over the price quote. And Ingrid, do you want to give consent?
Sure.
Okay. So before I give you the consents, I'm gonna go ahead and give over the price quote. So there are a couple different. So let's pretend the doctor only said face. Okay. So there are a couple different packages as well as treatment areas. I know the doctor and you talked about Fraxel for the face. So for the face, we do have either a single treatment, which is going to be 1,200, or we have the package of 3, which are done every 4 weeks, and that is 2,900. So you do get some savings in there. We also do want to let you know of the other packages that we have. So we can also add in the neck, or we can also add the chest. Usually most patients like to do all 3, especially when they're getting right now for summertime. You want to look good in your bathing suit, want to make sure your chest and your neck are looking good, and you do get some really good savings there as well. So we have, if you decided to do just a single treatment to try it out, we can do this pricing, or we have the series 3 treatments for 5,200 versus doing one area and then having to come back a second time to treat a second area. Which one would you like to do today?
I'll go ahead and do the 3 treatment.
Perfect. The series?
Yeah,
perfect. You're gonna love it. Can I go ahead and have you sign right there?
Of course.
And then I'm gonna have you fill out the consent. So we have the Fraxel consent. Make sure you read everything. If you have any history of these, please let us know. Sign a name in the bottom. And then we are gonna take photos for the face, for the neck, and for the chest. They're for your chart, but if you allow us to use them for your before and after social media, educational purposes, or even record some parts of the procedure for social media, you can put that you do consent. If you don't want to show your eyes or a specific part of your body, just go ahead and disclose it right there. If you're not okay with it, just put that you don't consent. It doesn't affect your treatment, okay? I'll give you a couple minutes and I'll be back to do photos and numbing.